In primetime news this evening, COVID-19 cases climb to 19. The island's ports to be closed for 2 weeks starting tomorrow. Lockdown. Residents now under quarantine in Cornpeace Clarendon have concerns. And government and opposition MPs clash over food supply for areas under quarantine. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrew Laidley has our preview.
Yeah, Janella, well, we're taking a closer look at how the stock market is responding to COVID-19 fears. I'll have the breakdown in the Financial Week.
All right, thank you, Andrew. From Andrew, we'll go to Jordan Sport, who will tell us what's coming up in sports.
Well, Herman, the debate about whether or not this summer's Olympic Games should go ahead is heating up even more, with two of the nation's most renowned coaches weighing in. But their views may surprise you. More in Primetime Sports Friday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your reactions to the government's plan to close the island's ports of entry to incoming passengers to contain the spread of the coronavirus?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.